This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Calendrich less than bedroom greater than BRE number 010139557, LIC number 015094112. Scenic retreat on nearly 5 acres with western views. This property offers a 3-car garage plus a workshop, detached sheds and circular driveway for ease of access. The base level of the home makes for an ideal guest quarters with private access offering a full bathroom, laundry room large enough to double as a den, and master suite with a walk-in closet. Just off the bedroom outside is the hot tub to further enjoy the views and unwind. Upstairs is an open concept living area with both front and side decks. The enclosed front door entry with a glass door and custom tile and rock flooring makes for a perfect space to hang coats and remove shoes. With a wood-burning fireplace at the center of the home, the main level is easily heated. All your essentials are in the kitchen with a propane stove, dishwasher and ample cabinetry. Both bedrooms off the living room with a second master suite offering 2 closets and a custom walk-in shower. Just off the hall is additional storage and a half bathroom. Explore the grounds and you will find a fenced garden area, chicken coop, multiple sheds, rock outcroppings and mature trees. This unique property offers privacy with room to roam, and most importantly paved roads all the way. For more information, review the details below or contact Calendrich less than bedroom greater than BRE number 010139557, LIC number 015094112 at 209-768-4312.